The question says the structure of orthophosphoric acid is, okay, first of all we should know the chemical formula, and the chemical formula of orthophosphoric acid is what we have. H3PO4 is there, H3PO4. Now we can draw the structure. This is oxo acids of phosphorus. In oxo acids, hydrogen and oxygen are attached to the central element in different ratio. Okay, take the central element phosphorus, okay, and make OH pair. How many OH pair are there? 3 OH pair are there. So attach these OH pair to the central element. I attach these OH pair to the central element. Okay, phosphorus has how many valence electrons? 5 valence electrons. It can form how many bond? 5 bond. 3 bond it has formed, but still one oxygen is left. So it has a tendency to form 2 more bonds, because to satisfy its valence, what will happen? We attach another oxygen with double bond. This is the structure we have. This is the structure we have. But this structure can also be written as, pay attention carefully, we have phosphorus, OH pair, we have OH pair, and this is what we have, OH pair is there. Okay, we have one lone pair. Okay, one oxygen is left. Oxygen has how many valence electrons? 6 valence electrons are there. Okay, so this phosphorus will donate electron density to oxygen so that its octet is complete. You can see it is also sharing of electron. It is a coordinate bond. It is also a special type of coordinate. It is a covalent bond. Coordinate bond is also a special type of covalent bond. In this case, sharing of electron takes place from one atom to another atom. From one atom to another atom. Okay, so you can form double bond also, that is correct, and you can form coordinate bond, that is also correct. So any of the structure given in the options you can see. We have OH, 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 and OH, single bond. OH will always form single bond. Then we have coordinate bond. You can see we have the coordinate bond. Option A is correct. We can see we got coordinate bond. There is no double bond. There is no double bond. In this case, we can see we have double bond, but coordinate bond is also there. It is not possible exactly. This is also not possible because phosphorus hydrogen is there. No. In this case, phosphorus hydrogen is there. Phosphorus hydrogen, but anyway, it does not show the total number of oxygen. It shows only 2 oxygen. While how many oxygen? 4 oxygen are present. Option A is correct. Option A is correct, and both the structures are possible. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.